Google Keep is an excellent tool for quick, casual note-taking. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're looking at how to set reminders in Google Keep. Let's go ahead and open it up. To set a basic reminder, click on an existing note or create a new one. At the bottom left of the note card, click on the bell icon, which is labeled Remind Me. A drop-down menu will appear. You can choose one of Google's quick preset times or customize your alert by clicking Pick Date and Time. This allows you to select a specific date and time for the alert. Once you've set your parameters, click Save. Your note now has an active reminder attached to it. It will pop up a notification at the time you specify. This method works perfectly fine for one-off personal alerts, like remembering to grab groceries on the way home. However, if you are managing professional projects or have critical deadlines, Google Keep's reminder system doesn't have enough power to make sure you stay on track. These notifications are incredibly easy to swipe away and completely forget. Furthermore, Keep lacks the robust structure required for true task management. There is no native way to assign priority levels, manage subtasks, or cleanly track your overall workload alongside your team. For that, you'll want something like GQueues. GQueues provides the accountability and depth missing from casual reminder apps. GQueues is built specifically for the Google Workspace ecosystem, transforming your checkboxes into a structured, reliable workflow. When you create a task, you aren't limited to a simple, easily ignored pop-up reminder. GQueues allows you to choose from an email notification or a pop-up notification to ensure you never miss a deadline. GQueues features a seamless two-way sync with Google Calendar as well. Your reminders don't just exist as isolated notes, they can also block out actual time on your main schedule. So there you have it. Now you know how to set a reminder in Google Keep, and for more ambitious team projects, instead of a cluttered screen of digital sticky notes with alerts you end up ignoring, you have an organized, hard-to-miss system ensuring your critical tasks are executed on time. Check the link in the description for a free trial of GQueues and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.